K.I.N.G. This is well number 8 on the Cobb lease. We do have a good timer. Electric's in good shape. We do have a bad contactor on the electric motor that needs to be replaced. The belt's a little bit loose, so like I said earlier, when it's raining, a lot of times when these things would kick on, they would just spin and not produce, so that's why we've had them shut off. We need to do the same thing to this one. We need to put the triple belt pulley system on this so we don't have to worry about that no more. And again, we're looking at building some kind of shelter over this to help keep some of the weather off of it as well. That way we can keep these things pumped on a consistent basis. Now, when we first bought this property, they had alarmed us that this well, they felt like, had a hole in the casing because they had recently put a new pump in it and it still wasn't pumping up. We actually worked on the pump, and we did get the well pumped up and moving oil, but you would have to consistently be out here and keep it pumped to keep that line primed, because once it's shut down and it's been off for a few days, it drains out and loses prime, and then it takes forever to pump back up. K.I.N.G. This is well number 5 on the K.I.N.G. property, Cobb lease. We need to get a timer set up on this box. The only way we've been able to pump it is manually. Like I said, we haven't been out here in a while. We're just now getting back out here active and get these things spruced back up the way they should be. We haven't had time to get a timer on it. Maybe need to level things up, maybe get a couple more cross ties on it to sturdy it up really good. And that's all this sucker needs. It's still making good oil. This is well number 2 on the Cobb property that I just showed you guys. It's still a really good producer, but we got to get them belts fixed and a triple pulley on there. All right, Sam, I'm up here on the first tank by well number 1 that I showed you in the videos. We've got well number 2 still turned on down there because we couldn't get it pumped up a while ago. So we left it on, went to all the other wells. But we was just passing by the tank here to go back down there and turn it off, and we could hear it rushing in here. Jimmy, don't drop the phone. Yeah, real gassy oil. Spotlight cream on this thing. Turn this stuff to gas. I don't have to do hardly anything to it to turn it into fuel. But man, we need to get some acid jobs done on these wells. Because if they'll do this with no acid job, man, they're going to turn on. We've never even got the real flush production off of them because no acid job's been done. I'm going to try to safely get off here. Day and night for you, Sam. I'm back in here. Let's get